facing the police every single day.
Let's get this fucking chicken! Let's fucking get it! Let's fucking get it! What you mean, no? Don't do it. I know.
No, they not. No, the they not. Oh my God, they came over here to talk to them that they violated. Yo, they violated them. They violated them. No, they violated them. Oh, they not stopping. Oh my God. Y'all get back in y'all car. Black. Black. Oh my. They laughing at them.
What they saying?
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.